Hello, my dear viewers. You're watching Tirupati Maloth social classes, and I'm your social teacher, Tirupati Nayak Maloth. Dear students, as we all know that in our previous session we have discussed about paper 1 10th class important questions or repeated questions lesson wise. Here I am going to show you lesson wise important questions which came in previous board examination from paper 2. So I hope that previous video was given a clear cut information related to paper 1 and paper 1 repeated questions lesson wise. So this also I wanted to try to provide this all lesson wise, then you may understand which is very important topic, right? This is already we have done the paper 1. I am going to paper 2 now. Let's get started. Just a minute. Right. Social Studies paper 2. Here we are going to discuss lesson wise important questions or lesson wise previous year questions. First question. Let's begin the first question. What was the immediate cause for World War II? What was the immediate cause for World War II? This question came for 1 mark. This question also may come for 2 marks, or sometimes they may also ask what was the immediate cause of World War I, World War II for the 2 marks or 4 marks, and also they mention reasons for that. Next, create 2 slogans on preventing war. Create 2 slogans on preventing war. It's very important. Okay, war is the destruction, peace is the construction. Okay, war means worries, peace means happies. So these kind of things you can write. Normally also you can write stop war, bring peace, say no to war, say yes to peace. So these kind of slogans also you may write. This is also for 1 mark. Sometimes they may also ask for 2 marks. Next, they also gave a graph, arsenal graph in this picture. So every paragraph is very important. So that is for 4 marks. Next, how was the USSR escaped from the Great Depression? How was the USSR escaped from the Great Depression? They have given for 1 mark. What are the situations led the strengthening Nazism in Germany? What are the situations led the strengthening Nazism in Germany? As you know that after the defeat of Germany in World War I, what are their economical condition? What are their political conditions? So that you have to mention. Here USSR was escaped from the Great Depression because their economy was not interlinked with any other economy, not interlinked with the international market. Mention the crisis formed by the China. Rural indebtedness, polygamy, okay, no modern languages, no lands to the poor. There are a number of things were there. So you can write that. What are the qualities do you like Sun Yat-sen? You know, Sun Yat-sen believed as founder of modern China. Okay, Sun Yat-sen introduced San Min Chui, democracy, socialism, right? This was introduced by Sun Yat-sen, and Sun Yat-sen was the person who wanted to end the rule of warlords, and at the same time the king of Manchu dynasty 1911, San Min Chui. Nationalism, socialism, democracy brought by Sun Yat-sen. Why did civil war began in Nigeria? You know, the conflict among the people became very vulnerable, and that conflict was led for the civil war. Write about the Pan-Africanism. It's a very important questions. But you remember that this year 2021, in year of academic year 2021, the examinations are going to be held in May. So in this one, this lesson was excluded. So we need not to read for the examinations purpose. We need not read for the examination purpose. Right? Next, let's see the 14th chapter. It's a very important chapter, 14th chapter. Okay, 14th chapter. National movement in India, partition and independence, 1939 and 1947. Why were the separate electorates for Muslims implemented? Why were the separate electorates were implemented since 1909? As you know that it is a part of divide and rule policy. Britishers, they wanted to divide and rule the India. They wanted to give something special to the Muslims. Then Muslims became very close to the British. So that is a fact. Write any two difference between Russian revolutions and Indian freedom movement. So here you have to write any two differences. How was the Russian revolution and how was the Indian freedom movement? It was led by Lenin, it was led by many rulers, and there was eviction of landlords, and here not eviction, right? And here peaceful, but here no peaceful. It is Russian revolution was little bit violence, but Indian freedom movement was complete non-violence. Next, map pointing. Here very important map pointing. New York, Myanmar, Austria, Alaska, Moscow, China, Egypt and France. So these all are repeated map pointings. So we must focus on these repeated map pointings. In our map pointing session, we will do this all. We will do this all in our map pointing. Next, making of independent India's constitution. Making of independent India's constitution. They have given this graph, number of amendments, constitutional amendments. They have given the graph and we have to analyze the graph, and with the number of amendments were made from 1950 to 2013. Write about 73rd constitutional amendment. As you know that 72 and 73 and 74 constitutional amendments were implemented by P.V. Narasimha Rao government. These are for the local self-government, Panchayati Raj. What are the constitutional element to lead the social change? Yeah, what need of constitutional elements need, because we need reservations, okay, and also we need equality, we need justice, we need egalitarian society. Means remove the difference between the haves and not haves. This is we need social change. So constitutional elements. So these constitutional elements are, we can also say that fundamental rights. Okay, fundamental rights also constitutional, these are the elements which can bring change in our society. Next, write any similarities between the Indian and Japanese constitutional preamble. So this topic was removed now. This topic is not available in the textbook, so we need not to read this topic. And again one more graph given in page number 230, graph number 1. Page number 230, graph number 1 was given. You want to see the graph number in your textbook. What are the features of federalism? What are the features of federalism? It is very important question. Features of federalism. Federalism means dual polity. So dual polity. Federalism means dual polity. Everywhere there is a two. Example, in India, bicameralism is there. Bicameralism. Bicameralism means state level state government, central level central government. State level service cadre is different, and union level service cadre is different. Next, write the role of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar drafting in drafting the Indian constitution. He played very crucial role to draft the constitution. That it was a very toughest task to draft the constitution. He did lot of research. He also much interested towards to draft the constitution, and many members took different articles, laws from the different countries. He observed and each and everything properly discussed among the constituent assembly members. Then finally he was drafted. How does the parliamentary system government and presidential system of government? As you all know that Indian government was known as parliamentarian system of government, and American system is presidential system of government. Okay, so you once go through the textbook and you may get a appropriate answer. Next, give example for the regional party and national party. As you know that TRS regional party, YSRCP regional party, TDP regional party, Shiva Sena regional party. Okay, these are regional parties. And national party, BJP, INC, that means Indian National Congress, CPI, BSP. So these are actually national parties. What is adult franchisee? Universal adult franchisee. The person above 18 years age, they will get right to vote. The person above 18 years age, they will get right to vote. So this is we are calling as adult franchisee. Here one table is given, and from the table the questions were asked. It is related to 2014 elections in India. From this paragraph, or sorry, from this table they asked the questions. Okay. Next, write the difference between the regional party and national party. As you know that what is the criteria of the regional party and national parties? They have to gain 6% of the vote and 4 seats in a local level. Or national party, they have to get 4%, 6% of the votes, or 4 or 3 Lok Sabha seats. Next, write a letter to the concerned officials regarding the malpractices occurred in the constituency elections. So you have to write the authority. Who is the authority in your constituency? In your authority, the constituency, the concerned person was, in your constituency, the concerned person was collector. So you may also write a letter to the collector or RDO or MRO about the malpractices. If anybody distributed the gifts, money, or any other things, gifts, you can complain. Here one more table is given, and for this table we have to analyze and we have to write. Okay, what we have to analyze? BJP Bharatiya Janata Party won 282 seats. INC they won only 45 seats. So you have to write descriptively this table. What was the main reason behind introducing symbols represent the political and candidate parties by EC? EC means Election Commission. Election Commission introduced these symbols because once upon a time there was a illiteracy is there, but now little bit literacy percentage increased. Still there is a lot of confusion. Then they brought symbols to mobilize among the people to identify a candidate, and each and every party is given a different symbol by the EC. EC means Election Commission. 17th lesson, only one question came. Write about State Reorganization Act. As you all know that this is also known as Fazal Ali Commission. It is also known as Fazal Ali Commission. 3-tier committee is there: Fazal Ali, K.M. Fanikar, okay, and Hridayanath Kunjru. So these were recommendations. Union government asking this committee, what are the recommendations? What we have to do? How many states does we in independent India needed? So this is about briefly related to State Reorganization Act. 18th lesson. Read and interpret the paragraph. Textbook number 272. So that also that given a paragraph, so we have to interpret it. What was that? What is indicating? What is the truth? What we have to do? So that can be we can given from the paragraph. Here Egypt, India, USA, Portugal map pointings came. What is the main meaning of coalition government? What is the meaning of coalition government? If anybody doesn't have any majority, if any parties didn't get have majority, then 3-4 parties they come together, they form a coalition government. 3-4 parties they come together and they formed a coalition government. Example in Maharashtra coalition government, okay, by uh, Shiva, Shiva Sena and Congress, many are there. What was the contribution of telecom revolution? It was introduced by Rajiv Gandhi. As we all know that it was introduced by Rajiv Gandhi. If there is no Rajiv Gandhi, it may be delayed. And due to the telecom revolution in our India, now the telecommunication system was very strengthened, and our telecommunication satellite system was very strong. What are the situation led that the strengthen the regional parties present today? As you know that most of the CMs in the states were belongs to regional party. Example, Kalvakundla Chandrasekhar Rao, regional party, TRS. Jagan Mohan Reddy, TRS. Shiva Sena, Maharashtra, okay. Uddhav Thackeray, it is Shiva Sena. And more you can take Mamata Banerjee from West Bengal, TMC. It is a big party, but mostly available in the West Bengal only. What is the main aim of the Assam, main reasons for the Assam movement? Because outsiders, Assams they started the movement to remove the outsiders. Other people are coming and entering into Assam and they became second citizens, and so that they have started the movement that is we called as Assam movement. 19th lesson. From 19th lesson, suggest measures for the better democracy and ethical governance. It is own question, own answer you have to write. What is democracy actually? What democracy that need? So to fulfill the aims of the democracy, what kind of the government is required? How the government approach should be there to treat the people? So in your own way you have to write. Give suggestions to solve difference among the country and non-aligned movement. Give suggestions to solve differences among the countries of non-alignment. So first of all, discussions, negotiations, peace treaties. So this can be very fruitful for the non-aligned countries. You all know that world was divided into two big groups. One is USA and USSR later, but India did not join any group, and India mobilized the many Afro-Asian nations to do not join in that one. Now it was the biggest group is non-alignment, but in recent days it is losing its significance. Map pointing. In map pointing we got China, England and Angola. China, England, Angola we got. Country considered a promised land by Jew, Palestine. That we all know that Palestine was considered as the promised land, Palestine. Observe the map below and answer the questions. It is about the map page number 280. Page number 280, the map. Okay, once I request you all, it is I am unable to provide that information here. I request you see that proper paragraphs and graphs, anything else. Map pointing. Pakistan was given, Sweden was given, Russia was given. City which Bandung conference was conducted. As we know that Bandung conference was conducted in Indonesia. Bandung, it was in Indonesia. Next. Zionist movement. What was the aim of the Zionist movement? let's see once what is the aim of the Zionist movement. As you know that Zionist movement was in West Asia. It is also called as West Asia conflict between the Jews and Arabs. Okay, so it is Arabs. It was war was started between the Arabs and Israelis, and Israel is claiming the land Palestine as their promised land. So that is the aim, to drive out the Arabs from the occupied land. Write any two principles of Panchashil. Panchashil, you know that between China and India it was concluded. According to the Panchashil, okay, respect the sovereignty or do not involve or interfere in the external matters of the other country. So that is also their external or internal. And one paragraph, one graph was given. The same paragraph. Once I forgot to mention here textbook page number, but one paragraph analyze is given, page number 282, graph number 2, page number 288, graph number 2. I request you refer the textbook and you see. Next here, Finland was given, Poland was given, capital city of Italy was given, and Amsterdam was given. Amsterdam, Netherlands capital city, Amsterdam. Next, one more graph is given, and our questions also given. It is page number 278. In page number 278, they have given one graph. Okay, that graph is given, and from that graph they asked questions. During 1955 to 2005, which country had highest number of warheads? Highest number of warheads. Next, what is the reason for the decreasing stockpiles after 1985? Because of the talks, salt, starch talks. Next, social movements in our time. One paragraph was given. It was page number 293. A large section of people, that paragraph. So we have to comment on it. Map pointing: Nigeria, Bangladesh, Palestine, Greenpeace movement. As we know that Greenpeace, it is Amsterdam. Okay, it is Amsterdam, Netherlands. Next, mention any two reasons not establishing sustainable democracy in Nigeria. Mention any two reasons for not establishing sustainable democracy in Nigeria. Nobody coming into one platform. Okay, and these all the people were there is a lack of unity, lack of understanding. So that is a problem. Prepare a pamphlet on importance of environment. So you have to prepare a pamphlet, poster or pamphlet. These are the very important questions nowadays, compulsory questions. So you practice to prepare a pamphlet or poster with the help of your social teacher and also English teacher. Write about advantages and problems faced due to the construction of dams. As you know that whenever we dam construct, a lot of the people will be displaced, and trees, forests, villages, agriculture land will be submerged. Next, capital of France, Paris, Nepal, Israel, Cuba are important things here. Next, why did the black Americans begin the civil rights movement in 1960? Because they don't have voting rights. They demanded the voting rights. They fought against of the racial discrimination. Created two slogans on environment protection: save environment, save life. Okay, if you protect the environment will protect you. Like that you can write. And last and final lesson: the movement for the formation of Telangana state. Why did the people of Telangana demand a separate state? As you know that because of the injustice which was happened against of the Telangana, and in gentleman agreement. In the gentleman agreement, the whatever the promises were they were accepted, these all were not fulfilled. Mention any four elements of the gentleman agreement. As you know that gentleman agreement is the weapon for the Telangana, but the gentleman agreement was ignored by the Andhras, and they are asking to write any four. What type of agitation forms do you like from Telangana armed struggle? Why? Telangana struggle. Telangana struggle. Why? You know, Telangana, Dhoomdham, Rasta Roko, okay, Rail Roko, Palle Palle, Pattala Paiki, Million March, Vanta Varpu. So these all programs, Batkama Samburalu, all programs were there. These programs were enlightened the people and mobilized the people to fight, to understand why they need Telangana state. Name two political parties. Name two political parties established for the formation of for the separate Telangana state. As you know, name the two political parties established for the formation of separate Telangana state. We can say that TRS Telangana Rashtra Samiti and TPS Telangana Praja Samiti. TRS is in 2001 and TPS is 1969. 1969 movement was led by TPS. Write any two slogans that reveal the aspiration of separate Telangana state. Any two slogans. The slogans are Jai Telangana, Jai Jai Telangana, one slogan, and example, the movement in 2009 when KCR was doing hunger strike, then that time KCR Sachudu Telangana Vachudu, okay, and Andhra Wale Bhago, Telangana Wale Jago, Andhra Wale Bhago, Telangana Wale Jago. These all words became very popular those times of formation of agitation of Telangana. Formation of Telangana state is a solution for many problems of Telangana. Explain why. Yes. Now you see our Telangana achieving a super fast development in irrigation, industries, employment. Once upon a time, they did not allocate funds to Telangana state. So due to that, we are unable to come, are unable to proceed, are unable to lead, or we are completely less developed than the other states. So that we demanded, and finally our demand was fulfilled, and separate Telangana state formed on 2nd June 2014. Telangana appointment day was announced. So that's it. This is a very important things. So I wish you all the best to you, that those who are average students, you can better to read small question answers, and apart from that, once you see the previous question answers, then you may get little bit idea how to prepare, in which topic you spend more time, and where most of the questions are asking. And that's it myself. I request you all members, please share my channel, like my channel, and comment it. That's it myself. Thank you. Thanks a lot.